Hi guys, in today's video we'll dive into why your sponsor video ads suck. So it's pretty simple. Go to your sponsor brands reporting, select campaign placement report. You will see something like this. So this report shows you the performance of your sponsor brand video ads, and it has a breakdown of performance on product pages, on home pages, rest of search, top of search, and so on. You have a number of metrics. We'll go through some of the most important ones. First, I keep repeating this, but impressions are completely fake metric, and here's the proof for that. So this is the number of impressions in this date range. I think it's the last 30 days. So 20,000 impressions. So you could easily think that, okay, my video was seen 20,000 times, which is not the case. Viewable impressions is what counts. So out of 20,000 impressions, only 4,000 of them were viewable. What viewable means? Viewable has also additional layer to that. Viewable is only if it's even peaking in lower corner of your screen for 50% of your ad for more than 1 second, that counts as a viewable ad. So again, not all of these 4,000 are actually viewable impressions. So just so have in mind that fact that impressions don't mean anything. Out of these viewable impressions, we have the actual number of clicks. Also, you would say your click-through rate is pretty good here for some of the ads, but the actual click-through rate here is around 10% for video ads. See, so out of almost 4,000 impressions, there were 400 clicks, which is actually 10% click-through rate on your video ads, which is good. Now, I want to focus on the point of this video. So these detailed metrics now show you the information on how many people actually saw the first quarter of the video, halfway through it, and 3/4 of the video, and complete views. And you can see that numbers degrade the more to the end we go. So this data clearly shows you is your video interesting enough that somebody is going to look at it. Does it have maybe some overlay text, or is because by default it's on mute, so without any overlay text featuring benefits and why your product is good or different from the competitors, nobody will know that unless they unmute. And this is how many people unmuted the video in the last 30 days out of 4,000. No one, almost no one, only these guys, and it could be an accident or something like that. So that's why I keep saying you need to have your videos. It's not like good scenography and high quality video. It's about, does it tell a story? Does it tell an important information to the end user? Furthermore, you can see that 300, almost 400 clicks. After that, in the next 14 days, there were almost 300 searches of your brand name. So any keyword that includes your brand name, that's also very important, and it's a good measurement of your sponsor brand video ads and in general your videos. So that's really important to measure. And also I like to use this detail page it gives me an estimate what's happening after somebody viewed, so they clicked our ad, and how many new visits to our listings happened as a result of somebody clicking an ad. So there are other metrics that you can go. It's really good report that gives you new to brand breakdown, new to brand per unit, and many other metrics. But I would really suggest that you run these for all of your sponsor brand videos and analyze the data. The biggest takeaway is that there are almost no video unmutes compared to the total views. And having that in mind, it's really important to have the overlay text throughout the video with features and benefits of your product. Let me know if you need any help with this. I'll be glad to help you out. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.